I'm back, and today I have my, well, I like to call it, hobby lobbies. And I'm making this video for my cousin because, well, I'm sick. My temp was 102, well, 100.2. And it's only 12:22 and I'm not at school. Hey, Happy! Going 100, going 100. Oh, my camera's not that clean. Well, plus my camera really sucks. And I had these for over a year, like since I was 4 or 3 years old. 3. And then I got the yellow engine, like when I was like turning 4. No, I don't know. No, I probably got, I don't know. I had these for a long time, but yeah. I guess I had the yellow engine once I was like 3. Dun 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 dun. And since I had these for quite over a year, it's missing a lot of things. Well, this book will be bad. Y'all probably haven't seen me in a long time. That's okay. Yeah. Well, y'all, I can't record for long because my cousins are about to get sick. I like 3 songs, that's probably like 3 hours away. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right here and do what I always do. And please leave me a lot of likes and subscribe. And I'll make more videos for y'all. Please, because I'm sick. But the sad thing is that my grandpa died. So yeah. See ya.